Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to build classes, and I'm going to be making short videos to uh, so you can get the most out of each video that I want to make, if that makes sense to you. So let's think of a scenario. So I want to build customer data, okay, and I want to be able to pull that data anytime. And we are going to use classes to be able to do that. So I have a customer, and I will have all the attributes of the customer, like first name, last name, and the product that this customer is buying from us. Okay, so let's start by writing class, and then a class is pretty much an object, a big object that holds um, method and attributes. So, but you need to be able to define your class, and usually your class will start with a um, a capital letter. So let's call it class customer. Okay. And what do I want to do with it? Well, let's not do anything yet, but I just want to show you something pretty quick. So, say for instance, I build my customer class, and I want to be able to pull whatever information I get from it. Okay, so I'm going to create an instance called customer with lowercase, and that instance will use the customer class. All right. And by creating that instance, I will be able to pull any kind of information that I will be building within the capital customer class, if that makes sense to you. So let's start with the first attribute. So I will have the first name. So it's going to be customer, that first name equals, let me create something. So I'm going to have John. Okay. And then I'm going to have customer, that's last name equals Doe. All right. So, and what I want to do is pretty much print. I want to print customer, which is the instance. Okay. Um, Actually, let me not put customer. So I'm gonna say first name, and then I'm gonna have those braces that format, and I'm gonna do customer. That so what I want to retrieve is the first name of the customer. All right. So that being said, we've done with the first name. Now let's do the last name. So I will have uh, last name, and that would be that format. Let's pull the last name. That would be what did I have? Customer. That's last name. All right. So this is what I'm doing. I'm pretty much retrieving all these attributes that I created uh, for the customer. Okay, those attributes have not been created within the class yet, which I'm gonna get to later. But I just want to show you what this will do. Okay, so uh, let's launch that in the command line. Actually, I could have launched that from the terminal right here where I am. So waiting for the terminal to launch. If it's not launching yet, well, I'm gonna have to use my command line. Oh, there you go. Okay. So from here, what I'm going to do, and let me expand this. I'm going to launch this Python file, and so it's gonna be class methods that py Python class method that py. So when I launch this, I should be able to have whatever I retrieve. So it's gonna be John Doe. All right. That's exactly what I wanted. So um, in this video, all I wanted to show you is how to create attributes, okay, from a class. So in my next lecture, I'm going to show you how um, to initialize, to create an initialize function within a class, which is very confusing for most beginners. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.